My name is Dr. Michael Carlfeldt. I've been in practice for 25 years. I'm a naturopathic doctor, which means that I work on supporting your health using natural means. A lot of patients that come to me are dealing with pain. And a common name for that is fibromyalgia, which means that you pretty much have pain in all parts of your body. You also usually deal with insomnia, and there are a lot of other issues like depression, anxiety, fatigue, chronic fatigue. All these are common symptoms when you're dealing with fibromyalgia. What I see frequently when patients come to me is that there are a number of causative factors when you're dealing with that kind of a disease, or that kind of syndrome, I should say. One is actually food sensitivities. That is a common scenario. You can be sensitive to gluten, dairy, or it may be some other type of food, and we utilize a very specific technique in my practice where you can easily then go through and see what kind of foods that stresses your system, that can be a causative factor then to create inflammation and pain then in your body. Other issues that I frequently see is a chronic infection, and that can be like a viral, bacterial, can be fungal, can be parasitical, and that's also something that we can easily then determine and see where the stress factor is coming from. And then we use natural substances. We use phytotherapy, which means very specific herbs that are very powerful in helping support the immune system then to eliminate then these threats, these chronic infections. It's by activating the best doctor that is within you, which is your immune system. It's a fantastic system. Then also frequently what takes place is that the adrenals are fatigued, the thyroid is not functioning properly. Also you have the pituitary and hypothalamus that's not functioning the way that it should. So there are certain natural substances that you can use to make sure that you strengthen these endocrine glands, and also you support then proper communication between them, because they are all used in order to be able to support then a proper healthy functioning body, and also it helps to regulate then the pain signaling that takes place, and also help to support then the repair of tissue, because that is something that doesn't really take place properly when you're dealing with fibromyalgia. Is while you're sleeping, you're not restoring, you're not repairing the way that it should. Well, first, you're not sleeping. So you need nutritional support to help you to sleep, and when you're sleeping, then we also are supporting your body so that it can then repair properly while you're sleeping. And then also there are certain nutrients that most people are deficient in that are crucial for the mitochondria, which is like the energy producing factor within the cell, that to produce energy within the cell. And if you're not doing that properly, you're going to be in pain. So come to Swedish Naturopathic. I've been working with people that's been dealing with fibromyalgia for over 25 years, and it is using natural substances. It's a whole lot better solution than getting on just painkillers or antidepressants. So I'd love to see you, love to help you. I'm here to support you.